Hello everyone, this is Amir from Chemistry. I have got a problem. My computer monitor is not showing anything related to BIOS or Windows. So this is a huge problem for me. I think some of you also having this kind of problem. So let's fix it. So this is the current condition of CPU. We will see the inside. There is no electricity problem as my fan of my processor is running and other parts also running, as there is no problem of power supply, like my graphics card fan also running. So everything working properly from electricity side. We have to check few things. I will check step by step, so you will get it done by so easily. Step 1. At first we will check the monitor cable from back side of monitor and back side of CPU. If you have a graphics card related to it, check it properly. Step 2. We will get a rubber or eraser, as we will use it to clean our RAM. So we have got our RAM and we will clean this side with eraser properly, and again we will install it. After this we will remove this battery. After a few minutes we will insert it again, and we have to fix the time and date in our BIOS for removing this battery. Now we will insert our RAM. Don't rush, take your time and insert it properly, otherwise your problem may remain at same level. So insert your RAM properly. So this process may take 10 to 15 minutes, so don't rush, do it slowly. So next we will turn on our CPU and wait. Let's see what happens. Finally it's coming something positive. Our Windows logo is appearing. So I think my problem is solved. But for some people, if your Windows got crashed, you have to reinstall the Windows. So I have gone through several process, and you do same for your computer if you got something like this. So and put your comment on our comment section which process worked for you. As per my experience, RAM is the most common solution for most of the black Windows. So we do this kind of problem solving tutorial regularly. Stay with us. See you next time.